Entering the job market as a fresher can be a daunting experience. Many candidates find it challenging to get shortlisted for interviews, often facing stiff competition and unclear requirements. One of the main hurdles is understanding what recruiters are actually looking for in potential hires. Without insight into recruiter expectations, applicants may struggle to present their skills and experiences effectively. Recognizing these expectations is crucial, as it allows freshers to tailor their resumes and approach to better align with what employers seek. By bridging this gap, candidates can significantly improve their chances of being noticed and advancing in the recruitment process. Recruiters often overlook fresher applications for several key reasons. First, resumes that are vague or unclear make it difficult for employers to understand a candidate's strengths and experiences. Second, listing skills that do not align with the job requirements can signal a lack of understanding about the position. Finally, failing to provide portfolio proof or concrete examples of abilities leaves recruiters uncertain about the applicant's actual capabilities. By addressing these common pitfalls, freshers can significantly improve their chances of making a strong impression and advancing in the hiring process. For freshers entering the job market, standing out requires a strategic approach. Begin by tailoring your resume to each specific role, highlighting relevant experiences and skills that match the job description. Instead of generic statements, showcase real projects you've completed, whether through internships, coursework, or personal initiatives. These tangible examples demonstrate your capabilities and commitment. Additionally, research the actual requirements of the positions you are applying for and align your skills accordingly, emphasizing proficiency in tools or techniques that employers value. By presenting a focused, evidence-based profile, you increase your chances of making a memorable impression on recruiters. After Pass Out provides comprehensive support to candidates as they prepare for the job market. The platform assists individuals in creating targeted resumes that showcase their strengths and align with specific industry requirements. It also guides users in building robust project portfolios, allowing them to demonstrate practical skills and relevant experience. By analyzing employer needs, After Pass Out matches candidate profiles to suitable job opportunities, increasing the likelihood of successful placements. This tailored approach ensures that candidates present themselves effectively and stand out to potential employers. In summary, we have explored several effective strategies that can help freshers stand out in the competitive job market. By tailoring your resume, highlighting relevant skills, and preparing thoroughly for interviews, you can significantly increase your chances of being shortlisted. Staying proactive in your job search and continuously improving your professional profile are essential steps towards success. Remember, adopting these approaches not only demonstrates your commitment but also sets you apart from other candidates. With persistence and the right preparation, freshers can confidently navigate the recruitment process and move closer to their career goals.